In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn text into a link in Notion. Turning plain text into a clickable link is a simple but powerful way to organize your pages, reference other content, and keep your workspace clean and easy to navigate. Whether you're building a personal knowledge base, writing documentation, or just taking notes, knowing how to add links will make your pages much more useful. Let's walk through the process from start to finish, and I'll explain a few helpful details along the way. First, open your Notion page and find the text you want to turn into a link. This could be a word, a short phrase, or even a full sentence. For examples, you might highlight the title of an article, the name of a website, or the name of another page in your workspace. The key here is to choose text that clearly describes where the link will take someone, so it's easy to understand at a glance. Once you've found the right text, click and drag your mouse over it to highlight it. On a trackpad, you can do the same by pressing down and sliding across the text. You'll know it's selected when the background behind the text changes color. If you accidentally select too much or too little, just release your mouse and try again until the selection is exactly what you want linked. After your text is highlighted, look for the small formatting menu that appears just above or below the selection. In that mini toolbar, you'll see an option that says Add Link or shows a small link icon. Go ahead and click on that. This is Notion's way of telling you, okay, I'm ready for the web address or page link you want to attach to this text. Now, switch to your browser or wherever your link is stored and copy the URL you want to use. Make sure it's complete and correct, starting with HTTP or HTTPS so it works properly. Then return to Notion and paste that link into the field that appeared when you clicked Add Link. You can usually paste by right-clicking and choosing Paste, or by using your keyboard shortcut. Once the link is pasted, press Enter or click outside the field to confirm. Your highlighted text should now appear as a clickable link, often underlined or in a different color. You can hover over it to preview where it leads and click it to